Yearning for a garden that keeps on giving, season after season? Ever heard of perennial vegetables? These are the green gifts that regrow each year, offering a sustainable, low-maintenance solution for continuous harvests. Stick around to discover the top 7 perennial vegetables that you can plant once and enjoy for years. First up on our list is asparagus, a spring favorite that can produce for up to 20 years. Not only is asparagus delicious, but it's also a breeze to grow. It thrives in well-drained soil and full sun, and once established, it requires little maintenance. Harvest the spears when they are 6 to 8 inches tall, usually in the second or third year after planting. Next is rhubarb, known for its tart flavor. It's a robust plant that can tolerate cold winters, and it's perfect for pies and preserves. Harvest the stalks in spring and early summer when they turn a rich red color. Then we have Jerusalem artichokes. These tubers are surprisingly sweet and crunchy and are excellent in stews and soups. They prefer well-drained soil and full sun, and you can harvest them after the first frost. Sorrel is a leafy green with a tangy, lemony flavor. It's a great addition to salads, soups, and sauces. It enjoys partial shade and well-drained soil. Harvest the leaves when they are young and tender. Globe artichokes are known for their unique, nutty flavor. They love full sun and sandy soil. Harvest the buds before they open, usually in late summer. Horseradish, with its fiery flavor, is a fantastic perennial. It enjoys full sun and moist, well-drained soil. Harvest the roots in fall or early spring. Finally, we have sea kale, a coastal plant that's both ornamental and edible. It thrives in sandy soil and full sun. Harvest the young shoots in spring. With these perennial vegetables, you can enjoy a bountiful harvest year after year. Imagine the joy of stepping into your garden and having fresh vegetables waiting for you, season after season. The beauty of perennial vegetables lies in their low maintenance, sustainability, and continuous harvests. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips and tricks. Happy gardening!